Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves in juice. Adding fresh mint to your favorite juice offers a delightful and invigorating twist. Beyond its wonderfully refreshing taste, mint provides several health advantages. It can aid digestion, soothe an upset stomach, and even help freshen your breath. Plus, mint leaves are packed with beneficial antioxidants and essential vitamins, making your juice not only tastier but also more nutritious. It's a simple way to elevate your daily beverage. Preparing your mint leaves is a quick and easy process. First, choose mint that looks vibrant and green, avoiding any wilted or discolored leaves. Gently rinse the fresh mint under cool running water to remove any dirt or debris. After washing, carefully pat the leaves dry using a clean paper towel. Finally, pluck the leaves from their stems. This ensures you get only the flavorful parts into your juice, ready for the next step. Now for the fun part, adding mint to your juice. Simply place a small handful of prepared mint leaves directly into your juicer along with your chosen fruits or vegetables. Mint pairs wonderfully with citrus fruits such as lemons and limes or refreshing cucumber. For a subtle hint of mint, begin with about 5 to 10 leaves. You can always add more to achieve your desired intensity, making it perfectly tailored to your taste. To get the absolute best out of your mint juice, here are a few extra tips. Always use fresh mint for the most vibrant and intense flavor profile. For an even stronger aroma, gently muddle the mint leaves a little before adding them to your juicer. If you have leftover mint, store it in the refrigerator wrapped in a damp paper towel to keep it fresh for several days. Don't be afraid to experiment with different mint varieties like spearmint or peppermint for unique taste experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.